To watch this video in Hindi, please click on the link in the description. Hello guys, it's Cube Guru here and today I am going to review this Qi MS 3x3 cube. This cube comes in this box. I like this box, but instead of giving box, they should reduce the price of the cube, so it will be better for beginner. Then we get this cube and this solution which we don't use. So let's get started with the cube. So starting with the specification, this cube comes in 56 mm size, which is standard size of the every cube. Weight of this cube is 81.8 gram, but while solving this cube, it's feel lighter than 81 gram. Its price is 699 on Cubelelo, but I bought it for 550 rupees. So I don't know why Cubelelo increased this price, but still it's pretty good deal at 699 too. Shades of this cube is pretty decent, and I found it similar to WRM. So as compared to WRM, white is nearly same, blue is also nearly same, orange of Qi MS is better, then green is little weird. I found it very similar to Qi Warrior. Then red is almost same, and yellow is better on Qi MS cube. So overall shades are pretty decent. Moving to its design, I found its pieces very similar to MF3 IRS2. So you can see on the left there are pieces of MF3 IRS2 which look pretty similar to the pieces of Qi MS on the right. Maybe similar design makes MS faster like MF3 IRS2. Nowadays the corner piece of every budget cube looks same, so no major improvement in corner piece. So you can see the both pieces look exactly same. There is no major update or no major improvement. But if we talk about the edge piece of the MF3 IRS2, it's very different than any other budget cube, and Qi MS edge piece looks exactly same as the edge piece of MF3 IRS2. Just difference is that its bottom part is little smaller as compared to RS2. In previous video of first impression of Qi MS cube, I show the corner cutting. Reverse 45 nahi kar raha. Corner cutting was pretty bad at that time. After that, I set up the cube and lubricated it with weight 4 and weight 3 and also Qi M loop. Now it's corner cut pretty well at 30 degree, 45 degree and reverse 30 degree and 45 degree too. But the problem is that its corner cutting is very snappy. If we compare the corner cutting of WRM and Tengyun, then they corner cut very smoothly below 30 degree, like 15 degree and 30 degree corner cut are very smooth on WRM. Also on Tengyun, 15 degree and 30 degree is very smooth, and this is the reason why they are flagship cubes, because of their smooth corner cutting. But if we talk about Qi MS cube, then its corner cut very snappy, like on 15 degree and also 30 degree. So due to snappy corner cutting, it didn't corner cut well while solving. So that's the reason its performance is not that good. But it's a budget cube, so we can't expect that much from this cube. I had done some solves on this cube and I'm getting pretty decent solves and good average on this cube. My main is Tengyun and I'm getting sub 14 average on Tengyun, and I'm getting same average on this cube too. That's why I like the performance of this cube, but still I am not thinking about changing my main. If we compare this cube with budget cube like Meilong M or Yuxin Little Magic M, then I will surely recommend this cube to you. This cube is really fast, and with light magnet it's a little bit unstable, but you can make it stable using weight 4 or weight 5 loop. In 1000 rupees budget, only two cubes can compete with this cube, and first one is MF3 IRS2. I think Qi MS is faster than MF3 IRS2, but its corner cutting is snappy and MF3 IRS has smooth corner cutting. So definitely MF3 IRS2 is better than Qi MS, but it's not available on Cubelelo. Also the production is stopped, so you can't get MF3 IRS2 now. And the next cube is MF3 IRS3. MF3 IRS3 also has smooth corner cutting, so it's advantage over Qi MS cube, but its price is also high. If you want normal RS3M, then you can get it for 1000 rupees, and Cubelelo Elite M version is for 950 rupees. But it's a little slow cube and also very heavy. So if you want stable cube, then you can go for MF3 IRS3. But if you want fast cube, then surely I will recommend Qi MS cube to you. As the corner cutting of Qi MS is snappy, it didn't corner cut well while solving. So if your turning is not accurate, then this cube is probably not for you. So in my opinion, it's the best budget cube available right now in the market.